Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Audi S7 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before we install the tint to the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the entire lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. So we need to apply Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film and Slip Solution to the lens. Once we apply Slip Solution, place the film to the headlight, and we're going to start by aligning it to this edge first. So lift the film carefully, apply Tack Solution underneath the film, and start aligning it right on the edge. So make sure it's following the design of the headlight on this section. Once you have it aligned, grab your squeegee, hold it in position, and start tacking the film down. So make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film, and once this whole section is tacked down, we're going to lightly stretch the film until we reach to that end over there. So it's just a small stretch. So you can start applying Tack Solution on this edge, stretch it up to the edge of the headlight, hold it in position, apply Tack Solution throughout the entire tint, hold it, and start tacking it down to secure it. And if you see this finger, it's because the film moved the position here, so it needs to reach up to the edge in order for this finger to be removed. But first we're going to secure this whole section here, that way it doesn't move when we stretch the film to this edge. So if you encounter small fingers like these, you can apply heat and tack it down with your squeegee. Now that we have this section secured, just lift the film again and just slightly stretch it up to the edge here. To help it stretch it, just apply Slip Solution, make sure this area is dry, and then just stretch, hold it in position, and start tacking it down. So you can also apply Tack Solution, that way the adhesive on the film can start activating and it doesn't move as we're tagging it down. And like I mentioned for the fingers, just apply a little bit of heat in order to remove them and tack them down. So make sure the film stays on the edge. Start applying heat around this area and on the edge to help the adhesive activate faster, and then we'll tack it down. Apply Tack Solution and just wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee. Make sure it stays aligned and tack it down. You just repeat this process until the entire film is tacked down, and then once you're done, we'll move on to post heating the entire tint. So it lifted just a little bit, make sure it's stretched up to the edge. If you do encounter fingers, just pass your heat gun just to help the adhesive activate faster and remove those fingers. So you see this finger came back up. Just apply heat, grab your squeegee, and just tack everything back down. And you repeat this process until you tack down everything, and then once everything's tacked down, then we can move on to post heating the entire headlight. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post heat the entire headlight. So just apply Tack Solution throughout the entire lens, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat throughout the entire tint. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down any edges that are still lifting and also remove any solution that's underneath the film. So take your time when you're doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation.
Thank
you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Audi S7. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.